Hello, this is Muhammad Usman and welcome to Usman Programming Tutorial. This is the 12th tutorial of our programming language. In this tutorial, we will learn about how we can create the graph from our data according to our requirement. What we have done in the previous tutorial, we have done how we can create the sub data set. Now we are going to plot our data set into our graph. So run your R Studio, and this is the couple of lines of code which I have already write to import my dataset into my this R script. So what my dataset contain, I will show you. Here is a name of the file. So this is actually my dataset, which contains the registration number, name, gender, car, whether the particular person having a car or not, and the marks and the age of that students. Okay, so now I'm going to plot the marks of these students into my pie chart. So for that I need to write the code of pi. So now write the pi, and it takes one parameter, one necessary parameter, which you actually want to plot into your file, into your pie chart, which is the any name of your column which is included into your data set. For that I need to write the name of my data set, data frame, then put the dollar symbol, and here I have all the columns which contains which included into my data set. Here I want to plot my marks into my pie chart, so click marks from here. Now select the title of your chart, which we can assign by using the main parameter. Now whatever the name you want to give to your chart, write it here. I'm just going to write it here, pie chart. Now set the color for your chart, so give it a rainbow color of 10 or whatever the number you want to pass, how many colors your column represents you. So now run your program again. It must show you a pie chart. So here my pie chart is which actually representing my number of marks of my students which included into my data set. So this is how we can present data into pie chart, but it is not a good approach to represent your data set into your pie chart. For that we need to use the bar plot or point plotting charts. For bar plot, okay, one more thing, if you don't want to use your file name again and again, then you only need to include one more line here, attach, which attach your data file, data frame. So pass your data file name here, and now you don't need to pass the name of your data frame here. Just use the name of the column and simply assign it to use wherever you want to use. Now for the bar plot, you need to use the function bar plot, and here you need to give it two parameters. Or if you want to show your data relatively, let's suppose in my data I have the column gender and the car. For example, you want to check that how many females have the car or not, and similarly how many males have the car or not. For that you need to use the function table. So go to your R script. Now use the one parameter which store the result of the table command. So I will give this det details equals to table function. Now you need to give two parameter here. One is the name of the gender, or whatever the parameter you want to check relatively. Check the relative information of couple of parameter. You need to pass it here. For in my case, I want to check the gender and the car. So now plot your details. I'm just going to run these couple of lines. So here it will showing me that how many this is actually the name of the car, including the car or not. Okay, now if I swap these parameters, then now run your program again. Here is number of females. Total number of females are 6, and how many of them have the cars are 4 and the 2 who don't have the cars, and similarly the males who have the cars and who have not the cars. So this is how we can plot the relative information of the two couple of columns from our data set into the bar plot. I hope it will help you. Thank you for watching my video.